it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you. Now, normally on my channel, for those of you who don't know me, I do unboxing and try-on videos from clothing subscription services. Clothing, that is my #1 love. I love style, fashion, and playing with clothes. But recently I started watching on YouTube some of these other women who do these beauty boxes, these unbagging of beauty boxes. So it made me start thinking, because at my age, I know what products I love. I am true blue to the products I love. I do not switch. I only switch unless there's a problem and they stop working, or unless a new problem crops up and then I got to deal with that. But basically, overall, I know what makeup I like, and I just have a set budget. I order that every month, and that's pretty much it. There's not a lot of playroom with extra money for makeup and stuff. I use my extra money more for clothes. So I started thinking, well, this Ipsy bag's only $10, so maybe this will be a good cheap way for me to try some different items that I would probably never try. So that's the reason I'm doing this. And for those of you who don't know what Ipsy is, probably most of you already know, because I'm like so late to this party, it's not even funny. But it's just a beauty box that you receive in the mail. It costs $10. You'll receive 5 items. You get to keep everything in the bag. And it's basically small trial size items from what I'm seeing. And they have like glam bags. They're like $25 a month. You know, you pick which one you want. And when you go on their website, they'll ask you some beauty questions like what color hair you have, what is your skin tone, fair, light, oily skin, dry skin, blah, 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 everything. They'll ask you what your favorite colors are, foundation, everything. And so I did that, and now I got this in the mail. So I'm ready to get into it. But before I do that, there were 3 people that kind of started getting me interested in doing this. So I just wanted to give a quick shout out to 3 of them. Probably 2 of them you probably already really know, because they've been doing it way longer than I have, and they've got quite many subscribers. The first woman is Robin's Closet. If you guys probably already know her, but if you don't, I will put her link down to her YouTube channel. She does a lot of beauty bags unboxing. She's got so many I've never even heard of, and I'm still like learning on her channel. And then there's another lady, UnBoxIt with Maureen. She does a lot of beauty bags and unboxings too. And then there's this newer, younger girl. She's only been doing it for like a month, and she just seems really sweet, and I just wanted to give her a shout out. Her name is JamieSue. Yeah, so she just started out, so if you guys want to give her some love and support and go check out her channel, I'm sure she would appreciate it. And with all that said, let's just get into see what they sent me. So here is the Ipsy bag, and I've already opened it. And here is the little makeup bag that I received. It's a green, like with these hexagon patterns. I guess that's what you call it. Some kind of pattern on it, but it's nice. It has the word Ipsy on the label right there. So let me open it and we'll go through all the items that's in the bag. Now first I'm going to pull out, they enclose this little card, and then inside here it has all your 5 items that's in the bag, and it looks like it gives a little description of each item. So as I go through each item, I will read this little paragraph and tell you what they say about it. And also, I don't have the most steadiest hand, so when I hold up an item, I'll hold it up, but also I'm just going to insert a picture on the side so you guys can see the product probably a little bit more clearer than me going, here, look. I got a little shaky hands. Okay, so this first product, like I said, I will enclose the photo off to my left or right. I don't know which way it's going to go. This is a Avera Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. Now see, I told them I have very dry skin. And girls, you young girls if out there, when I was young, I had such oily skin, you would not even believe it. I could not get through the day without having those oil blotting rags all over my face. Them days are long gone. Now I have dry skin. Oh, if I complained about having oily skin, somebody should have slapped me, because having dry skin is a lot harder to deal with, trust me. But I regress. Let's get back into the beauty bag. Okay, this is called the Avera Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. This luxe lightweight body lotion is infused with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water, aloe vera, and witch hazel to help nourish itchy, dry skin. In a rush, it soaks up super fast so you can get dressed ASAP without feeling greasy or sticky. Tip, it looks like they give you a little tip. Massage all over your body, focusing on areas that need a little TLC like your knees or elbows, which that always does. So I'm gonna open this up and see what it smells like first. And also, by the way, if they include anything, because I'm getting three beauty bags. I'm getting this one and I should be getting 2 more in a couple days. Oh, I'm gonna have fun getting this off. All right, let me get this off. Okay, I'm back. I got this open now. As I was saying, I'm getting a few of these. I got 3 bags coming, this Ipsy and 2 more. And anything that they put in here that I don't open up, that I know I won't probably like, I'm gonna put off to the side, and I'll be having a giveaway pretty soon. So anyway, here's the first product. This one I will be keeping because body lotion is a no-brainer for me. I will take all and any body lotions at all times. Like I said, I have extremely dry skin. Has a nice pleasant smell. Smell is important to me. Oh, it feels pretty good. Soaking in nice. The smell of it is like a clean perfumey smell. It's not like perfume, it's a clean scent, I guess is what I'm saying. Yeah, I like it. And it does seem to soak in pretty quickly. Ooh, yeah. All right, well, let me put that off to the side because I will be keeping that one. That one won't be going into a giveaway. Oh, and also on these, I will include, along with the picture, I will include another picture of the ingredients. Years ago, I started watching Dr. Oz, and he always told me to look at the ingredient list of any skincare that you're buying, so you know what the top 3 main ingredients are, because it's probably the most active ingredient. So I will include a picture also of the ingredient list off on the side on anything like lotions, so you guys can see that, because I like reading ingredient lists too. Okay, the next little item right here looks like some makeup. Yeah, let me see what this is. Okay, this is face blush. Let me take it out of the bag. That's kind of an interesting color. I will take a picture off on the side for you guys to get a close-up. I'm not going to try to keep angling this. So I will just put the picture up while I keep talking about it, and then you guys can... Oh, I hope I didn't break it just now. Okay, no, it looks good. My first instinct about this color, this might be going in a giveaway because I don't know if I like that color very much. Yeah, so this one might be in a giveaway, so I'm not going to open this one like I did the body lotion. But anyway, let me give you the details about this. This is Pixie by Petra Fresh Face Blush in Peach Parfait. Peach Parfait, more pinky, that's peachy. Made by a working mama for this brand of is all about multitasking products that cut down on your prep time. This peachy pink blush has a light golden sheen and blends easily and evenly, so there is no streakiness no matter how quickly you blush up. Tip, dip the fluffy brush into the peach parfait, tap any excess, smile big, see the apples of your cheeks, swirl the blush onto them, and blend in a circular motion. Very good tip. Okay, yeah, so that sounds like I'll probably keep that one for a giveaway. I'm heading out. I've only been doing this, I think, 6 weeks. And when I started my channel, I didn't tell anybody I'm doing this. I didn't tell, there's only 2 family members that know, even today, that know I'm doing this. And that is my daughter and my husband. Those are my 2 soulmates that, you know, I trust them with anything. So I've had both of them watch my videos and tell me if I'm acting stupid or saying stupid things or if I'm doing things wrong, to let me know what I'm doing. So anyway, with that, nobody knows. So 6 weeks ago when I started my channel, I didn't have, the only subscriber I had was my daughter. So I'm up to like in the 70s right now. So my plan is that when I get to 100, I'm gonna celebrate, and I'm gonna, anything that comes in these beauty bags, I'm gonna like give a nice giveaway to one of my subscribers. So stay tuned for that, and I'll try to put together some really cute gifts to thank you guys who have been supporting me, because I really do appreciate you guys. Okay, I'm rambling again. See, that's what I do on these videos. Okay, on to the third product 2 hours later. Okay, this looks like, this is the eyeliner. I'm not gonna hold it up too close. Like I said, I will insert a picture. It'd probably be better than me trying to hold it. Okay, this is Jaunty Blue Felt Tip Eyeliner Pencil in black. This brand is all about drama and intensity, both of which are yours with this jet black liner. A long-lasting smooth, so it won't tug on your lids when you apply, and the precision tip applicator is just the right size and shape to go from quick flicks to bold cat eyes in a cinch. Tip, use the felt tip eyeliner to line your upper lid starting at the inner corner, thicken the lines as you reach the outer corner, then sharply wing it upward and outward. I've been known to do that once or twice. So that one might not be going in a grab bag. Okay, and here is the fourth product out of the bag. I'll try to bring it up close, but I'm not going to waste too much time. Like I said, I will insert the picture. This is Thrive's Cosmetic Liquid Lash Extension Mascara in Bryn. A single swipe of this mascara made our skimpy lashes look like lash extensions. The innovative comb-shaped wand adds definition and separates lashes. Oh, do you see how like I'm doing? The paper's got to get further away because I can't see the words. Okay, it separates lashes and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. Tip, hold the wand horizontally at the base of your lashes and swipe towards the tip. An oil-based makeup remover will take the tubing mascara off easily. That's very good to know. What I like using to take my makeup off, a good old-fashioned, it's been around for I don't even know how many years, 50, 60 years, Noxzema cleansing. That's what I use. Noxzema moisturizing. You put it on your face. It seems to melt all my makeup off. Like I said, I have very dry skin, and Noxzema, the moisturizing ones, doesn't dry my face out, so it takes makeup off too. But I also have makeup rags for like mascara, because you know how mascara can be a little stubborn, so you got to kind of rub off on that. But yeah, that's always been my favorite. The smell's a little strong, but it don't bother me none. I'm gonna keep this mascara. So far the only thing it looks like you guys like might get in a goodie bag is the blush. So I'm gonna keep this mascara. Let me open this. I wanna see this wand. There's the size of it. Huh. I already have some on, so you probably can't tell any different, but I like the brush. That's a pretty good brush. Okay, definitely gonna be playing with that. Okay, back to the glasses. Okay, back to the last one was this facial oil. I'll just insert the picture, so I'm not gonna bother hold that little tiny tube up for anybody. And it says, Feel Bright Daily Squalane and Facial Oil. I don't know if I'm saying that word right. S-Q-U-A-L-A-N-E. This brand believes that skincare has potential to change your world, and they're not wrong. This non-greasy formula boosts a blend of, there's that word, is a word again, squalane, rosehip, and avocado oils to help brighten, firm, plump, and nourish your skin with vitamin E to help fight acne and blemishes. I love everything that says. It says tip, after cleansing, put a dime-sized amount onto your skin, feeling extra dry, follow with your favorite moisturizer. Okay, so that's everything. Like I said, this is also, I will put the ingredient list off on the side so you guys can read that. I don't know, should I open this? Ooh, oh, it is an oil. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Is that picking up? Yeah, it's definitely oily, oily. Huh. Okay. Well, guys, that was fun. That was interesting. That was something different. I'm probably very long-winded on showing 5 beauty products and rambling on in my mouth. But I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I will have another beauty bag coming up very soon. And I can't wait to film that one. Ooh, boy, my hand, I've got some soft hands today. But anyway, if you guys are liking these videos, please click the like and subscribe button down below. Check out my clothing unboxings. Though, like I said, that's my first love. I'm just gonna sprinkle these little beauty bags in here and there as I do them. And with all that said, thank you guys for watching. It's been fun. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.